Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today we are making an easy and fast paper box which we are going to make in less than 5 minutes. It's so fast. So we have one 8x11 piece of cardstock. I'm using double-sided cardstock. Looks nicer later when the box is finished, and we're going to score it at 3 inches on all 4 sides of the paper. So I'm just making sure that it's very accurate, because when you make a box, the lines should be straight and all the measurements should be accurate. Otherwise your box will not be straight, and you definitely don't want that. Next, we're going to bring in a 4x7 piece of double-sided cardstock, and we're going to score it at 1 inch on all 4 sides. So this is going to be our lid for the box, and this box is going to be perfect for anything you want to put inside, from candy to little trinkets to a present, jewelry, money, whatever you want to put inside. It's quite a large box. So now we're going to cut along the fold lines. We're going to cut from the edge until where the lines meet. Then we're going to cut diagonally, and then diagonally on the other side up until the score line. Then we're going to snip a little piece of the square, make it slightly smaller so it will look nicer when we fold it and attach it to the wall of the box. And we're going to do that on all 4 sides of the large paper. So just eyeball it, you don't need to measure anything here. So this is how it looks when all 4 sides are cut. Then we're going to do the exact same thing on the smaller piece of paper, only here we just cut alongside the squares. We don't need to cut the little squares and make them smaller. So just make sure to cut your diagonal lines. It will look nicer when we close the box and the lid. And you do that on all 4 sides. So now it's time to fold all our score lines. And you need, of course, to decide which side of the paper you want to be on the inside and which side you want on the outside. So I'm going to leave the busier side for the inside of the box, and the outside is going to be that solid green color. So it's very important to burnish all your folds and make them nice and crisp. It's easier to build the box this way, and it's also looks better. So now we're going to apply glue to the little tabs and attach them to the inside of the wall of the box. And I always like to go over it with my bone folder. Makes the paper adhere better and also spreads the glue, especially if you use liquid glue. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other 2 tabs. You see how fast this project is. Really fast. You can make lots of boxes for whatever present, gift, surprises, just storage that you need. So this is the box, and we're going to assemble our lid in the exact same way. We're going to fold on all the score lines. Make sure they're nice and burnished, and then we're going to apply the glue on the little tabs and build our lid. Also, you need to decide if you want the solid color on the outside, or I want the solid color on the inside and the pattern on the outside. So I'm reversing the direction of the folds. And this way I'll have a nice contrast between the lid and the box itself. It'll look nice. So apply glue to the little tabs in exactly the way that we did with the box we're doing with the lid. Attach it to the inside of the wall of the lid, and then we go ahead and do that on the other side as well. Align it with the corner, of course, make sure everything is straight. And again, here using liquid glue is better because then you can align everything and move it before it's dry. So there it is. Our box is ready. Wasn't it fast? I promised it will take less than 5 minutes, and it did. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything. And go ahead and make lots of nice boxes. And I hope you really like this project. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.